Hey man, I'm gonna be near Tinzafon in like 10 minutes. Do you wanna meet me there and then we can go get ramen real quick?
Yeah, I'll meet you there.
Alright. I'm on my way there, but the thing is that I'm leaving in like 10 minutes. So do you wanna just meet me there and then head straight to Shanghai?
What? Why 10 minutes? What?
Look, I got business, but let's meet in 10?
Okay, yeah, sure. Just don't text me. I'm out of data though.
Yeah, I won't. See ya.
Yeah, see.
Hey, are you here yet?
Yeah, I'm just leaving now. Just wait.
Look, I gotta leave in 5. Do you want to meet? Do you just want to meet at the ramen place?
What, 5? No. Okay, I'm leaving. I'll see you there.
Alright, see ya.
Okay, dude, I'm almost there. I'm along the building. Okay, I'm ready to turn to Tinzafong.
Dude, I'm almost at Suzhahui, man.
What? I thought you were still at Tinzafong.
Bro, I said I was leaving.
Shit. Okay, I'll be there soon. Just wait. Fuck. There's no taxi. It's rush hour.
Dude, it's fine. We can meet during the winter.
No. Okay, dude, I'm gonna take the metro. I'll see you soon. Okay.
Okay, look, I'll meet you at the restaurant. Like, I'm gonna order for you first so we can save time.
All right. Just get me what I got last time.
Alright, see ya, man.
Okay, dude, I'm almost there. I'm running through the metro right now. Shit, I don't have much of a signal. Okay, I'll see you later. All right?
Alright. Your food has arrived, by the way.
Oh shit. Okay, I'm hurrying up. Okay, dude, I'm there like in 2 minutes. Where are you?
Look, yeah, I'm still here.
You still there? Okay, I'll see you soon. Okay, dude, I'm here. Where are you?
Dude, I left, man. I had to go.
What? No, you can't be serious. Dude, this is gonna be the last time I'm gonna see you.
Dude, it's fine, man. Look, I'll see you during Thanksgiving or winter.
Shit. I'm sorry, man. I thought you said leaving in Tinzafong in 10 minutes, so I was just waiting to leave, to go.
Dude, it's fine, man. Look, I ordered your ramen. It's like on the table. I also paid for it. Like, I told the waiter not to touch it. Like, you can find it.
Shit. Well, I guess I'll see you at Thanksgiving, alright?
Yeah, of course, man. Dude, look, it's fine. Don't worry. Look, you left your necklace at my place yesterday. I left it like under the ramen, ramen ball.
Oh, okay. Thanks, man. See ya.